In this video, we're going to take a look at how to add attachments or files to a Google site using either a file cabinet or just a traditional web page. Now, in previous videos, we've taken a look at how to embed individual Google Docs as well as whole folders from Google Drive. This remains the preferred method of attaching files or dealing with handouts on your website for a couple of reasons. Mainly, the Google Sites has a quota, which means there's only a certain amount of files and storage space that we have using Google Sites. So the more attachments we upload using the following methods, what I'm about to demonstrate, the closer we get to that quota. Whereas in Google Drive, we have 30 gigabytes per user, and whenever you link to files or embed files from your Google Drive onto a Google site, it does not count against your Google Sites quota, just against that 30 gigabytes, which is more than enough space for most of us here. So here we go. So here's again a demo file cabinet page, and instead of using Google Drive, so I could add from Drive, and again that would be the better route. But I could also just add a quick file here from my desktop. I can upload a file from my desktop or from my computer, and then it'll pretty much just be there ready to go on the site. So it's very easy. But again, it's going to give you the size of that file, and the more files we do as a collective, as a whole, in our domain, the closer we get to that quota. So again, once you do add that file, you do have the option to view it as well as download it for all the people that come to your website. So I'm going to go ahead and remove it because I don't need this here. And I'm going to show you another way to add a file. If I go back to my home page here, if you remember from my earlier video, this is where I embedded a Google Doc. But again, what I could do is at the bottom of the page, I can see that I have a place to add files. So this may be an example of you have your course website, but at the bottom of the page, maybe you want to have an attachment for like your course syllabus. So I'll go ahead, add files. Again, it'll prompt you for your computer, and you can go to the place where you have the file that you're looking for. And let's say I wanted this file on Senior Assembly. Okay, I'll go ahead and upload that to my website. And again, it's going to show me the size of that file, and then once it's up, I have the ability to pretty much click on it and view it or download it here. Or as I'm going to do right now, I'm going to go ahead and delete it. So again, this is on a traditional web page template, this ability to add files. If you don't see that there, what you can do is you can go to Page Settings and check to see that this box has been checked, the Allow Attachments. If it's not been checked, then you won't see that Add Files button or link at the bottom. If it is checked, you will. So that's how you add files on a Google Sites web page as well as a file cabinet template. Again, the preferred method would be to use your Google Drive for storage concerns, but if you need to add a file or if you prefer this method, please go ahead and use it.